Good morning and welcome to the morning analysis video on Friday, the 9th of July. No real surprise this morning to find cable off the lows. Sadly, what I didn't get last night was a pullback right down to the 150.80 level, the level at which we've seen it bounce twice before. And it's a real shame because it means that I didn't manage to get my sterling yen entry, which I alerted you to in the live room in the afternoon, and it was a bit of a shame because I sat waiting, and by the time I had really got any positive reaction, i.e. moving back above the 60-minute 20, I found that sterling yen had already moved off from 134 to 133.80 odd, and it was just then at a level that I couldn't trade. I should have really just hit it at 133.40 and let it go. And held through the night, but sadly these things happen, and I do expect to see cable moving higher this morning, back up to retest the previous highs at 152.30. Baby silver crosses galore will be what we look for. So on sterling, as you can see, just starting to make a little move up, retest that daily pivot, a break through that, give us the 123 with the baby silver cross, and we can look to get long for a move to 152.30. I think that's all we should be looking for, not target any more at this stage, just because we know up at that level there is resistance. Friday afternoon, are people really going to start pushing this right through to 154, 153? I don't think so. Okay, so the order of the day for me, first thing, is looking at sterling is a possible long play. Moving across to euro dollar, I'm afraid she's just still too overbought. We don't have any crosses coming in. Could possibly be a cross to the south, but just not interested, not a big enough gap. Dollar Swiss, same sort of thing, looks like we might get a cross to the upside, baby silver cross, but playing into previous week's low, yesterday's high, not of interest to me as of yet. Moving to Aussie dollar is just consolidating above the previous week's highs. She's testing these levels out, seeing what she wants to do. Again, overbought, no crosses coming in, so very untradeable for me at this moment in time. Dollar CAD, sticking itself below that daily 20, is just forming a little consolidation triangle, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a retracement coming in on her, just to retest that monthly pivot, form a little consolidation zone there, and then a possible breakdown to the south. CAD yen, I'm afraid it's the same story, just gone too far for me. Was rather hopeful that we get pullbacks overnight and then be able to trade some baby silver crosses this morning, but it looks like only sterling will offer that opportunity. So I'm afraid it's a very brief video this morning, and really it's only pound dollar which is offering any opportunity. So once that baby silver cross is in, break a daily pivot, little 123, and I will be looking to get long. Okay? Have a very good morning, have a very good afternoon, and for those that aren't able to trade past the morning, have a very good weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Okay?